Every premium smartphone begins its journey inside one of the world's most advanced manufacturing facilities. Only the highest quality materials are selected to build each device with exceptional precision. Precision machining transforms raw titanium into an incredibly strong and lightweight frame. Thousands of electronic components are positioned with microscopic accuracy. The advanced camera system is assembled and calibrated for exceptional image quality. Every display undergoes precise inspection to ensure vivid colors and flawless performance. Automated systems install each battery with remarkable consistency and precision. Hundreds of automated processes come together to create the finished smartphone. Before leaving the factory, every device is tested to ensure reliable performance. Advanced inspection systems verify that every smartphone meets the highest manufacturing standards. With manufacturing complete, each iPhone is carefully packaged using fully automated systems that ensure consistency, protection, and advanced logistics systems track every package in real time, preparing millions of devices for customers around the world. Every detail reflects thousands of precision manufacturing steps, combining advanced engineering with world-class craftsmanship. Behind every iPhone is an extraordinary combination of innovation, precision robotics, skilled engineering, and global teamwork, transforming raw materials